made a conscious effort within myself that, I should hear all of Srila Prabhupada's lectures. So I started to do so. And I mean, that's another way of interacting with the text. Actually, it's another way of interacting with his teachings. When we hear, Srila Prabhupada speak about what he writes, we hear him speak about what he writes. You may have seen, in India, some devotee, they produce some kind of a radio and it has a chip in it.
I have one, yes.
Yeah, that's what I use, yeah. And, you can choose you dial in your number and you can choose your lecture, the topic. And so I just started, with Bhagavad Gita and then the Nectar of, I did the 4 books first, the Bhakti Shastri books first. I started with the Bhagavad Gita, the Nectar of Devotion. There's no Nectar of Instruction lectures, but, and Ishopanishad. And again, it's another way of associating with Srila Prabhupada, as you mentioned a little bit earlier. It's basically his books in audio. Essentially, it's his books in audio rather than, reading the written word. We're hearing the spoken word.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.